never change.
Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It's a little late for my cocktail time today, but I thought I would come on anyway. I had a little bit of time, and I was ready for a cocktail. So I'm going to be making a chocolate martini today out of a new product that we just got, Ponche. It's a chocolate, it's called Ponche, so it's a chocolate punch from Mexico, but I'll get into that in just a few minutes. As people are joining me. Hello, everybody. Thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. It is great to be back and great to be on. I'm a little bit more sporadic with my time on Facebook and doing my Facebook Live. So if you're watching me and you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up so that I know that you are here. Hope everybody's having an awesome summer. Hope you had a great July 4th. We did miss July 4th. I wasn't on. There was a wonderful parade here in town. We had fireworks here in Ellenville. Ellenville does a great job with their July 4th parade, so it was really lovely this year. Nice to be back on track. Nice to be back and doing all the things that we normally do. So people on. So thank you everybody for joining me. Hello Leonie. Hello Craig. Hello Anne. It is nice to see everybody on. Let's see, so it is summertime, the Shadowland is open. If you are coming to Aroma Thyme, we do recommend reservations. Please give us a call ahead of time, make a reservation. We have our delicious crawfish boil coming up, all you can eat crawfish, on July 24th. It is a Sunday. It will be outside in our garden. If you've never been to our crawfish boil, it's really fun. We put newspapers out. It's like a real Louisiana crawfish boil. It's all you can eat. We cook the crawfish in like a Old Bay seasoning and potatoes and corn, and we put it out on the table for you, and you pick it and you eat it and you throw it away, throw away the shells. Really fun Louisiana crawfish boil. That is July 24th, 3 o'clock and 5 o'clock seatings. We do have lots of reservations already for that, so please call ahead and make a reservation. We have a wine dinner on July 18th. So we will be doing 4 wines in a dish for $29 on July 18th. It starts at 6:30. That will be outside in our garden or inside, not sure, depending upon reservations for that. And that's it. So Shadowland is open. The Tom Hanks show is starting soon. Make sure you guys are making reservations here at Aroma Thyme, 647-3000 if you would like to join us for dinner. Tonight we are open. We have jazz. We have jazz in the garden tonight. And here's Patrick. Patrick's giving me a thumbs up. And if you would like to come in for jazz, it starts at 7 o'clock tonight. So we have jazz at 7 out in the garden. And we would love to have you join us for jazz. So all right, I'm going to make my cocktail. So I'm going to put some ice in my shaker. And I'm sure that Marcus is going to jump in here, but this is chocolate ponche. This ponche is made with chocolate and water. That is why cacao fat solidifies in the neck of the bottle. So sometimes there can be solidification in the neck of the bottle. So this is ponche. So it is a punch made with cacao, and it comes from Mexico, brand new product that we just got. So I am going to experiment and make a chocolate martini with it. And I'm sure he's dying to say something else about it because he loves to tell all the detailed stuff, so go ahead, honey.
So it's traditionally a punch from Mexico. They make them in several different flavors if you're in Mexico. And ponche, so this is a liqueur version of it, made with chocolate or cacao, water, sugar cane spirit. The distilled sugar cane spirit, and they sweeten it up, and it's a
very simple, pure ingredients. So
it is truly a small family. Imported, small family made. It's imported by David Suro. David Suro is a
restaurant, is an importer, restaurateur down in Philly?
Yep, in Philly. He owns Tequilas, 215 Tequilas, which is a great restaurant in Mexico, in Philadelphia, a great restaurant in Philadelphia. He makes the Siempre Valley tequila. Siempre Valley tequila is his brand, which is a very awesome tequila. And then he has an import company that he brings in. He goes to small families.
Other cool tequilas and spirits, right?
Yeah. So he goes to all these small. Families and contracts their product, 60% of their product, and brings it back and tells you all about the region, the mescalero, how it was hand crushed, and all that kind of stuff. So really cool stuff. Very, 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 very limited. Or
So
artisanal.
if you are into agave spirits, we definitely recommend you come into Aroma Thyme. We have lots of agave spirits now. That includes mezcal, sotol, raicilla, tequila, bacanora. There's some other.
There's a fruit brandy's coming.
There's a fruit brandy that's
Mango
coming.
and plum.
So we have some really cool stuff, so come check it out. So I am going to start with my martini. We start with 1.5 ounces of vodka. I'm going to add about 1/2 ounce of chocolate liqueur. And I've never tasted this before, so this is my first time making it with this chocolate ponche. So I'm going to add about, a lot came out, about 1/2 ounce. And you know what? For fun, I'm going to add a little bit of raspberry. So we're going to make a raspberry chocolate martini. So a little raspberry in there. Give that a little shake. A little shake. And we're going to pour it into this beautiful martini glass. And we're going to give it a taste. So thanks everybody for watching me. Hello Janine and Craig and Bob, Ashante. Hello, hello. Ooh, look at that color. Yum, yum. And so the punch is very light. It's not a thick, syrupy liqueur. If you can see the viscosity is very light. And I'm going to add a little bit of cacao powder on top. And let's get a little taste. Let's see how it tastes. You get a little bit of chocolate and a little bit of raspberry. Delicious. That is a winner, everybody. So, the best night, we have the wine dinner on July 18th. We have our crawfish boil. We have our crawfish boil on July 24th. And we hope you can join us here at Aroma Thyme for dinner or for a meal. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a wonderful night.